From 2017 to 2022, a 5-year time, this young man grew his wealth from $0 to $26 billion when his crypto empire was at its peak. But less than a week, his crowned empire shattered to pieces and went bankrupt. How and why? Will it be an endgame to cryptocurrencies? Sam Bankman-Fried was born in 1992, in California. People generally called him SBF, which stands for his name Sam Bankman-Fried. SBF grew up in a highly educated family. Being the son of 2 renowned professors at Stanford Law School, he probably inherited his parents' genes, but he soon found his talents in finance and technology. In 2014, SBF graduated from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology (MIT), the top #1 university in the QS World University ranking. His major was in physics and a minor in mathematics. After graduation, pursuing his interests, he started to work for the New York-based Jane Street Capital, a global securities proprietary trading firm, where he learnt arbitrage and skills of trades. In 2017, SBF left Jane Street and founded Alameda Research, a quantitative trading company which takes active arbitrage between cryptocurrencies traded in different parts of the world, the US, Japan, Korea and Asia. This proved to be a highly successful business, which make him millions of dollars profit per day. In 2019, he founded the crypto exchange FTX. It grew rapidly at rocket speed. The exchange business was well backed by his controlled crypto trading company Alameda, which acted as the market maker of his cryptocurrency FTT. Soon then, FTX becomes one of the major crypto exchanges comparable to Coinbase and Binance. In addition to being nicknamed King of Crypto, SBF is also claimed to be the crypto's white knight. When cryptocurrencies started to fall in 2022, the so-called crypto winter, SBF used up hundreds of millions of dollars to bail out peers companies. At that time, he claimed he has $2 billion in reserve that he could use to help the failing crypto companies. However, the downfall of the crypto did start to undermine SBF's empire. His net worth began to fall, alongside the rolling down cryptocurrency markets, which indeed has entered into an ice age instead of winter. From Q4 of 2021 to the present, Bitcoin lost 75% in value while SBF's FTT lost 98% in value. And the end game starts to play on November 2, 2022. There was report that much of the cash held by FTX was in the form of its own invented cryptocurrency, the FTT. Also there are accusations that Alameda used FTX's customer deposits as loans for trading. Confidence to FTX and FTT was evading. The last blow came from FTX contender Binance, who announced to sell off all the FTT holding on the 6th of November 22. It exploded the fear amongst investors and they rushed to sell the FTT and withdrew from FTX. Though SBF had once said Binance would come to bailout. However, Binance withdrew the rescue on reports alleging FTX has mishandled customer funds and alleged US agency investigations. At this time, there is already no way back. FTX filed bankruptcy. Mr. Bankman-Fried apologized saying, "I'm really sorry, I should have done better." FTX collapse definitely will cause tremendous losses to millions of crypto investors. Many investors came out to accuse SBF to be a deceiver. No matter what is the story behind, voices of regulations and controls to the DeFi, decentralized finance must now be going louder. Even G20 leaders and US President Biden called the need for international rules to govern the fast-growing Bitcoin and crypto space critical and said potential risks to financial stability needed to be mitigated. The essential value of crypto is its decentralized features which, unlike other financial instruments or currencies, free it from any central government controls. One day these controls are exerted upon the crypto, then what will be its difference from traditional currencies? And what will still be their explosive growth value? Nonetheless, crypto and blockchain will forever have their supporters. Cathie Wood, the CEO of 60 billion assets holding ARK Investment, who won much of her fame from investing in crypto and electric cars in recent years, insisted that she forecasted the price of Bitcoin to go up to $1 million by 2030. The current Bitcoin price is $16,500. $1 million will mean 600% growth in 8 years by 2030. Wow! 60 times upside room. So far the chaos in cryptocurrencies has not spilled over to the physical currencies and equities markets. No big traditional financial institutions are greatly involved and contagion was not seen yet. Let us wait to see. What is the lesson to investors? There is nothing too big to fail. Never overtrust to one single entity or investment product, no matter how profitable or how big it is. Never consumed by the greed. Diversification is always the key to success in investment.